Hello there. Today we're going to work on addition and subtraction. Remember that an addition sign has two parts. That's addition. Addition tells you that you're going to be putting together two numbers. We call them partner numbers. I've showed you an example right here. It's 3 plus 1. There's lots of ways you can do it. Today, I'm going to use some apples. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to draw my breakaway stick plus 1. I'm going to tell you a story problem that's going to go with that. My friend had 3 apples. They picked one more off the tree. 3 and one more. 3 plus 1 makes how many? 4. Sometimes when you're doing addition problems, it's easier to tell stories that go with it. I'm going to leave that one, and I'm going to make another one. And I should show you that if you're in kindergarten at my school, you might want to get page 271, because what I'm doing is I'm going down to this whole first column, and you could write the answers in and do it with me, and then you'll just do the rest later. And then we're going to do the back side, which is subtraction. Now the next one is 2 plus 2. 2 lines to show the plus sign, and that's equal. I had 2 butterflies. I found 2 more. You're putting it together. 2 plus 2 makes 4. Two plus 2 equals 4. Now I need a little more room, so I'm going to erase that. One of my favorite plus equations. Zero. I saw 0 stars in the sky. And then I'm going to put my breakaway stick, because right here, how many stars do you see? 0. And then it got darker, and then I saw 4. How many stars is that all together? 0 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to tell you a secret. Some of you might already know that. Come a little closer to the screen. Anything that you add to 0 is always going to be that other number. So if I said 0 plus 1 million, guess what it would be? 1 million. If I said 27 plus 0, what would it be? 27. So something to remember, whenever you're adding something with 0 as a partner number, it's always going to be that other number. All right. Got a couple more adding ones to do. I hope you're writing in these answers as we go to save you some time and help with your learning. 2, there's my 2 lines for my plus. 3 equals. I had 2 apples, and then I saw 3 more. Your partner numbers are 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 equals. You might have known that this is 2. Maybe you don't have to count those. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's read it together. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Got one more to do before we go on to takeaway. Oh, it's one of my numbers I really like to add. 5 plus, there's that 0 again. I saw 5 butterflies on the tree. I'm going to put my breakaway stick in there. Luckily, then I saw 0 more because I don't have any more room. How many is that altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Now, we're going to go on to subtraction. Subtraction and takeaway are the same thing. I'm going to flip my paper over. When you subtract, you take it away. And I want to make sure that we're looking at this very carefully. It is easier when you're subtracting if you think of a story. I saw 3 stars in the sky. Guess what? I'm going to actually take these down because I don't want to cross one out. I'm just going to make 3 stars. I saw 3 stars in the sky. Clouds came over and 2 of them disappeared. How many are left? 1. Because 3 take away 2 equals 1. Remember, it has to get smaller when you take away. The next one is 4 minus 1. There's my equal sign. I saw 4 bananas on a tree. Somebody came by and took 1 away. How many are left? 4 minus 1 equals 3. We're going to go a little bit faster, boys and girls. I wonder what we're going to talk about right now. I think we're going to just talk about circles. And those circles are going to be M&M cookies. Yum. There were 3 M&M cookies at my house. Guess what happened? Mark ate 3 of them. Man, was I sad about that. How many were left? 0. If you have 3, any number, and you take away the same number, like 3, take away 3, it's always going to be 0, all the time, because you're taking away the same number that there was. 3 minus 3 equals 0. How about this one? Five minus 0. There were 5 oranges in the refrigerator. My friend came over and took 0 oranges. They didn't take any away. How many are left? Still 5. When you have 5, any number, and you take away 0, just like with adding, it's always going to be the other number. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Now, the next one, we're going to try our fingers. It's 2 minus 1. If you had 2 turkeys in your backyard, hold up 2 fingers, and one of them went away, how many are left? Just 1. Now, sometimes we have this thing at the bottom of our math sheet. It's kind of hard to see. It's called Puzzled Penguin. I'm going to put my glasses on to read it the right way. You're going to look at Puzzled Penguin. Puzzled Penguin thinks that 4 plus 1 is 3. Wants to know if we're right or not. What do you think? Yes or no? I don't know. You'll have to decide on that. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.